Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging. I'm here at the Thailand Electronic Circuit Association 2025, and I'm sitting with an esteemed gentleman who is Daniel. He's the CEO of Starteam. So Daniel, I guess the first thing is tell me a little bit of the background of Starteam.
So thank you very much, Keith, having me here today. Real pleasure to be here and exciting and everything what we shared already before. So Starteam was founded by my dad in 1988. At the time we have been Jacob Circuit Boards, our family name, and my dad was in the industry since '82. So over the years we have evolved and opened a joint venture in Hong Kong in 2001. In 2015 we invested in a factory in China called Starteam, and that's when we made the transition into a full manufacturer. And today we are a company with 1,100 people. In 2022 we invested in Thailand, a small factory here in Pachonburi, 2 hours away from Bangkok. And last year we added now our Italian plant in order to be close to the customers for prototyping, engineering questions, engineering support and cooperation, because we still believe in the European market.
Yep, I think the European market is definitely going to come back next year, and there's always going to be a need. And I think you have the better strategy, because a lot of the larger companies are moving out of Europe.
Correct.
And people are saying soon there will be no one left. And if you want to get a prototype done or even a difficult design, you need to have that close relationship. You need to be like the same time zone or 1 or 2 hours difference, the same language, and able to get there.
Keith, you're totally right. That's what we are seeing, because for the purchasers it's easy. They all speak English, so they can communicate with Asia by themselves. But it's really when you talk to the engineering departments, to the quality guys, and to the manufacturers who are really producing the PCBA, who are accountable for the whole product, they still need local support. And that's where we are very strong with our office in Germany. So the facility in Italy, at the moment we can produce 1,000 square meter only with a small team, but we have the full support and the integration in our customer.
Yeah, I used to be in your industry, and when I was talking to clients, I always kept like the same kind of topic, is that you go to a catalog, you can buy a component.
Correct.
Once you've specified the component, it's there. You can have maybe 5 or 6, 7 distributors. You can buy exactly the same thing.
Correct.
But every printed circuit board is custom to that assembly, not even custom to like the car, but it's custom to that assembly that you're building. And everyone is different, and a lot of them become challenging. But the thing that I'm seeing more now, where people are more concerned about first time pass yield and ultimate quality, is when they don't get involved with the board manufacturer at the early days, they get to production and suddenly they can't build the board efficiently.
Exactly. And I'm so happy you mentioned about quality. So we started our factory here in Thailand 2 years ago. So now in September, it's exactly 24 months we are running the manufacturing. And I was there yesterday and I had a chat with our quality manager. And I was not aware, it was really shocking for me. He asked me, so Daniel, what do you think, how many claims did we deliver this year to our customers? And I said maybe 2, 3 per month. And the answer was 1. The last claim we had from our facility here in Thailand was in January this year. So we are perfectly set up, all new machinery. The China +1 strategy is working with a local team. We are at the moment 210 people. We are only 5 foreigners in the factory, and all the others are Thai, because I believe in local for local. And I can see the commitment by heart from our employees and the love for the detail, what you're just mentioning. And we've invested in contamination cleaning line, so it's to fulfill BMW and Magneti Marelli specifications. And it's these small details who makes a difference at the end. And I believe still quality is not given, you need to work hard for it. But then it becomes sustainable, because normally when you deliver perfect quality, maybe the purchaser want to change because it's always price driven, but it's very hard internally to convince then the head of production, the head of quality, to make changes to cheaper ones.
It's a risk no engineer wants to take.
Exactly.
Yeah, for sure.
Exactly.
And hopefully most companies listen to their engineers. But no, it's great that you have this, let's say, belief in local, because here I've interviewed a lot of Thai academia and other people, and they are trying to build these bridges with the manufacturers, but also, is it just the Thai companies? They said, no, we want to embrace the global companies who have given their faith to Thailand.
Correct.
And they have like this side of the view, and you have this yeah, I want to work with the view. And it's such a great thing to have, because there are some places, global multinationals, who move in, they bring their own team, they do everything.
Unbelievable,
and it, in the long term, it just doesn't work. But, you're already here, your business is obviously going to grow, that's your plan.
Yes.
And you're starting from the best foundation. And if you can produce quality like this within 2 years, I mean, that's a huge achievement.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Keith. So you need to know that we are really family owned. So today I'm the only owner of Starteam. So I'm acting CEO in the same time. My son joined us 5 years ago. He's 24 now, and he is living here in Thailand. So I'm living in Hong Kong since 16 years. Pablo is here in Thailand, and he's taking care of the local relationships. And you just mentioned about the investment in the people, in education. We believe in this. And he just signed a contract 2 weeks ago with a university here in Thailand together with the Thai government. And we will join a partnership to take on young Thai people to train in parallel, practical training, theoretical in the university, because we believe only with this kind of training in 2-3 years we will be even stronger. Why the other corporates, IPO companies bring in all the employees? Because it's an easy fix. But I don't know if it's really sustainable, cost-wise. To be fair, they are starting here in Thailand with boards, 24, 20 layers HDI. So we started here with 2, 4, 6 layers, now ramping up to 12 layers. So we take a bit of slower approach. We are investing now in HDI in our China facility. And the plan is also next year then make a small, high-mix, low volume HDI line for our customers in Europe, because in Europe it's mainly high-mix, low volume for HDI. But we take it really step by step. Sustainable growth is more important than just make a big jump and you never know what comes after.
Okay, Daniel, I'd never like to disagree with the people that I'm interviewing. And I understand your view that you are a family business, and it's really, you're a global business, but you have a family, you work with what I would describe as family values.
Thank you. Yeah.
And that's not the same as, my local baker is a family business.
Yes.
Sir. Yeah. And a long time ago, I used to work for a small German company called Henkel.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
And they are also a family business.
Correct.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But when you try and explain to people that Henkel is a family business, they would say, no, never. And I'm sorry, but I believe Starteam is a global business, but it works with family values. And, you have been very successful. That's why, as I say, I look at you as the CEO of the company, not just like, my dad started the company. I mean, that's also a big advantage, because it keeps your feet on the ground.
Thanks,
sure.
Yeah, thanks, Keith, for recognizing it. So it makes just the decision process different.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all about, and for sure we have many Chinese colleagues, and our CMO is from China. Amazing. And sometimes they are wondering why we are growing so slow, or why we are doing things in a bit different way. But sometimes I tell them, if we take an investor in and we have the opportunity, then it's not us who is taking the decision anymore. And today we are taking the decision exactly on family values plus customer demand.
Yeah.
It's all about customer. It's all about how good partnerships I can develop. And that's how we have been growing in the past more than 35 years now. And I don't see an end for it. So it's really, we are enjoying it. We enjoy what we are doing. We have a motivated team. Most of our colleagues are with us since 15, 20 years. And now with Pablo, a new generation is coming in. I still get sometimes very good advice from my father. He's 78 now, but still following in the background. So it's really, as you say, it's a family business, and we are all enjoying. We are passionate about it.
Yeah. Well, Daniel, I'm going to think I don't need to wish you success, because you have it already. I look forward to seeing you somewhere around the world next time, and we'll hear how Starteam is growing even more.
Thank you very much, Keith.
Thank you very much for giving us your time.
Thank you very much, Keith.
Okay.
Thanks for having me.
And that's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing out.